This 2008 Winnebago View 24H is a Class C RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 24 feet 6 inches in length and features Sleep 6, DVD player, carbon monoxide detector, TV, Slideout, smoke detector, LP detector, water heater, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, microwave, and 34 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2008 Winnebago View 24H is built on a Dodge Sprinter chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.